Hi guys, I welcome you in this wonderful video. So there is something that I want to talk about when it comes to price action. I will be using this analysis that I did a few days ago with gold. So there's something that I just want to break down in terms of analyzing and having your expectations as a price action trader. So if you can see here, you can see that, okay, the target is all the way up there. The target is all the way up there. But firstly, before you consider a target as a trader, you need to understand how the market is behaving. Is the market likely to indeed reach that level, or it is not likely to do so? So let me just open the daily so that you can see that one clearly. So if you can see on the daily here, I want us to pay attention into this area. I want us to pay attention into this area because this is the current area that we are dealing with. So if you can look inside this area, if you can look clearly, you can see that we have these waves which break halfway and form this range inside the bigger one. So then we have this one wave which breached and broke this level and went all the way up. And then it came back in again. So what you need to pay attention into is that it is highly possible again that this wave that I'm trading, or that this wave that I'm targeting, it is highly possible that it will form again the same range pattern as it was formed before. Why is that? It can happen that this breakout here, it wasn't a genuine breakout. Why? Because firstly, even this breakout itself, it couldn't try to reach that level. So it broke and it reversed before it reached that key level where sellers are waiting for the price. So it might happen that the market can come back again and do the same thing. So what you should pay attention into as a trader, let me just do so, and I'm sorry about the uncleanliness in the chart. So what you should pay attention into as a trader, you should as well pay attention into how this entire move is being formed. You can see that the market is moving so slowly. Why am I saying so slow? Because you can see that here was our high, and then here was our next high and our low, and then here was our next low. So you can see that the way it is approaching the upward areas, it is approaching them in a slower way. So sooner or later, we are expecting the market to kind of like give us some signs of reversals, although my target is all the way up there. But I am expecting the market to kind of like reverse anytime. Why? Because of how slow it is behaving. And again, looking at this current wave that the market is into, you can see that it is starting to slow down even before it can break this one. So meaning it is being influenced, or it is being impacted by this resistance level here, which is not supposed to happen, because in an uptrend, the market doesn't have to kind of like obey or kind of bow from a resistance like this. You should break it out to prove that indeed we buyers are strong. But here I can see that the market is now slowing down before it can even break it out. So that's also another sign that, hey, watch out, the trend is so slow, meaning the sellers, they are a little bit battling against the buyers. So we should be expecting some kind of reversals anytime soon. But what you should make sure that you do as a trader is that don't act before the market tells you what to do. So always wait for the market to tell you what to do. When the reversal is coming in, the market is going to demonstrate that clearly. But for now, I'm still expecting the market to push a little bit up. But as you can see through my analysis, there is room for change. So I'm waiting for the market to do any of what I've mentioned. So that's how you should look at it, guys. Don't just be fixed into your predictions. Know that the market can do anything, and know that the market can do it at any time. So stay focused and enjoy your trading.